Dear students, welcomes to you on online platform of Sri Sham Educational Group Bhadra. Our remaining topic miscellaneous exercise 12. Okay. In the miscellaneous exercise 12, our first question is the length of chord distant 6 semi. The length of chord distant 6 semi from a center of circle of radius 10 semi. Then तो अपन को लेंथ ऑफ कॉर्ड फाइंड करनी है. सॉल्यूशन let a circle with center is O. Okay, this is a circle with center is O and its chord AB, chord name AB. Our target is find the length of chord AB. Okay, and its radius 10 centimeter and the distance of chord AB from the center is OP. Okay, and this OP is 6 centimeter. Okay, in right angle triangle OPM OAP we can find AP according to the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now chord AB is equal our target. Okay, radius OA is equal 10 centimeter and distance of chord AB from the center distance name OP is equal 6 centimeter. In right triangle OAP, by using Pythagoras theorem, okay, then this is hypotenuse because this is opposite to right angle. OA square is equal OP square plus AP square. Put the value of all sides. What is OA? 10 square is equal OP 6 square plus AP square. 100 is equal 36 plus AP square. By transformation 100 minus 36, then AP square is equal 64. So AP is equal square root of 64. So AP is equal 8 square root of 8 square. Square cancel by square root. AP is equal 8 centimeter. So AB, because AB is twice of AP, 2 AP. Okay, 2 into 8, because we know that the perpendicular drawn from center to chord, the perpendicular drawn from center to chord, then it bisect the chord, so we can write AB is equal twice of AP and value of AP 8 centimeter. So chord AB is equal 16 centimeter. This is our first question. This is our finally answer. Okay, we know that the distance of a chord from center is perpendicular distance. Okay, तो chord AB is equal फाइंड करना है अपने को, और रेडियस OA 10 सेमी गिवन है. डिस्टेंस ऑफ chord AB from the center, distance name OP, and OP is perpendicular to chord AB. In right angle triangle OAP, by using Pythagoras theorem, we find AP is equal 8 semi. Okay, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base. Okay, AP is equal 8 semi. So AB is equal 2 into AP. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन हमने एक्सरसाइज में भी किए हैं. ठीक है, सेम टाइप क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, ए chord of 24 semi length is drawn in a circle of radius 13 centimeter from center of circle is. Let this is a circle with center is O. Okay, and length of chord AB 24 centimeter. Radius is radius. This is radius of circle, given that 13 centimeter. So distance of chord from the center, suppose that OP. Okay, now this is our target. Okay, as well as question first, chord AB is equal 24 centimeter. Radius OA is equal 13 centimeter. Clear? And distance of chord AB, distance of chord AB from the center, is equal OP. OP is our target. Okay, because we know that according to theorem, the perpendicular drawn from center, the perpendicular drawn from center to the chord, then it bisect the chord. Bisect the chord. Okay, OP perpendicular to AB, so we can write AP is equal PB is equal half AB. Okay, so AP is equal PB is equal half value of AB 24. 2 1 जा 2, 2 12 जा 24, 12 centimeter. AP is equal PB is equal 12 centimeter. Okay, now in right triangle OAP by using Pythagoras theorem. OA square is equal OP square, because OA is hypotenuse of right angle triangle, OP square plus AP square. Okay, now 13 square is equal OP square plus a value of AP 12 square. So 169, 13 square is 169 and OP square plus 144. By transformation 169 minus 144 is equal OP square. So OP square is equal 25 and OP is equal square root of 25. So we can write 5 square, square root of 5 square. Okay. Hence OP is equal 5 centimeter. This is our target. So option B is right, and in first question option A 16 semi is right. Okay. तो इस क्वेश्चन में chord गिवन है, chord लेंथ ऑफ chord गिवन है AB एंड रेडियस गिवन है, डिस्टेंस ऑफ chord AB फ्रॉम सेंटर, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस होगी. दिस इज आवर टारगेट. So we know that the perpendicular drawn from center to the chord, then it bisect the chord. So OP perpendicular to AB. Okay. AP is equal PB is equal half AB. So value of AB 24. So AP is equal PB is equal 12 semi. In right angle triangle, this is our target. OA square is equal, OA is hypotenuse and OP square plus AP square. Put the value of all side 169, 144 by transformation. 169 minus 144 is equal 25. OP square is equal 25, so OP is equal 5 semi. Clear?